Hey, this is such a great book. I wanted to share you one thought in here. It's called the Visualization Technique. And I'm reading from The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. This is an awesome book. Everybody who gets this book will benefit from the nature of what it's teaching in here. You can better yourself just by reading this book and applying its tips and techniques throughout your life. The visualization technique. The easiest and most obvious way to formulate an idea is to visualize it and see it in your mind's eye as vividly as if it were alive. You can see with the naked eye only what already exists in the external world. In a similar way, that which you can visualize in your mind's eye already exists in the invisible realms of your mind. Any picture you have in your mind is the substance of things hoped for and evidence of things not seen. What you form in your imagination is as real as any part of your body. The idea and the thought are real and will one day appear in your objective world if you are faithful to your mental image. This process of thinking forms impressions in your mind. These impressions in turn become manifested as facts and experiences in your life. Architects visualize the type of building they want. They see it as they desire it to be when completed. Their imagery and thought processes become a plastic mold from which the building will emerge. It may be beautiful or ugly, a skyscraper or a one-story shack, but it begins as a visualization. The architect's mental imagery is projected as it is drawn on paper. Eventually, the contractor and construction workers gather the essential materials and the building progresses until it stands finished, conforming perfectly to the mental patterns of the architect. I always use the visualization technique before I speak to an audience. I quiet the wheels of my mind so that I may present to the subconscious mind my images of thought. Then I picture the entire auditorium. Its seats are filled with men and women who are all illumined and inspired by the infinite healing presence within each one. I see them as radiant, happy, and free. Having first built up the idea in my imagination, I quietly sustain it there as a mental picture which I imagine I hear people saying, "I am healed, I feel wonderful, I am transformed." I keep this up for 10 minutes or more. I let myself know and feel that each person's mind and body are saturated with love, wholeness, beauty, and perfection. My awareness grows to the point where in my mind I can hear the voices of the multitude proclaiming their health and happiness. Then I release the whole picture and go on the platform. Hey, this book gives you all kinds of things that will help you in your life. You got to get this book. Well, that's all I have for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. What am I going to read next time? I'm going to read The Mental Movie Method. And this is a perfect way on selling a piece of property or a home. Stay tuned and I'll read that next time.